So Cazaly exercised our option to earn into Brightstar's Goongarrie Gold Project in March 2025 last year. Now, this was a staged earn-in agreement where we spent $3 million to earn up to 80% of the Goongarrie Gold Project. Now, we've met the first stage of that farm-in agreement, and so that's a good milestone for us. We're certainly on the pathway to doing justice to the Goongarrie Gold Project and exploring this ground methodically and systematically. And so we're really looking forward to what 2026 will bring. We know that we're in a well mineralised district here. We know the Menzies Shear is well mineralised. Regionally, there's multi-million ounce gold deposits in the district, for instance, Paddington to the south and Aphrodite as well. Now, it does feel like we're just scratching the surface here with our 2025 campaign. We did have a few challenges, but nonetheless, and a few delays, but we managed to get on the ground and have some successful results already. So we're very encouraged by that. We've got plenty more ground to explore, and so we will be expanding the footprint certainly this year. We've still got Hastings, which is 38 metres at 3.1 grams per tonne, and we've got Sir Lawrence Gold Prospect to investigate. So at the moment, the scale we're looking at is, we've got 20-kilometre strike of the Menzies Shear, so we've got plenty to do on the project, but nonetheless 2025 was a fantastic start, and as we accelerate and move through the project, we're looking forward to uncovering many more prospects to test and really doing some good exploration work on the Goongarrie Gold Project, which is what's been lacking on this pretty much unloved area of the Menzies Shear in the past. So our 2025 campaign was successful in the fact that we have now extended mineralisation from Duke of York for over 1,300 metres. So just a little bit of how we approach that. We operate with a staged approach, which essentially is a good de-risking approach for any exploration project. Our initial RC campaign tested the historical workings at Duke of York, and we did have success there. We got some great results, 6 metres at 10.3 grams per tonne and 10 metres at 5.7 grams per tonne. Now, we stepped out about 350 metres to the south and identified anomalous gold mineralisation at what we call the Duchess Prospect. And so this was 19 metres at 1.5 grams per tonne with some high grade as well, 4 metres at 4.7 grams per tonne. So that was a relatively short strike length with the RC campaign that we tested, and we wanted to expand on that. And what we found was we took an air core rig in, and as we drill tested along the Menzies Shear and in zones of structural complexity, we did find anomalous mineralisation all along this Menzies Shear trend. Now, this is significant, and it's a good technical step for us. It helps build our understanding of what is going on within that structure, and also with the later stage cross structures and where mineralisation will be focused. Nonetheless, it is still early stage, and so we're looking forward to testing these structures at depth, and that is certainly our focus for 2026. And also, of course, we have a number of other highly anomalous prospects in the area that we'll be testing as well. 2026 is going to be an active year for us on the ground. We're looking at certainly deeper drill testing around Duchess and Duke of York, and a long strike of that Menzies Shear where we think there's certainly potential for the mineralised system to grow at depth. We do need to do more drilling here in order to better determine the plunge direction of mineralisation, which will again help us focus future drilling. We're also looking to advance exploration activities outside of this immediate area, and certainly looking to test the Hastings prospect later this year and undertake some geophysics and of course relogging activities up at Sir Lawrence and advancing our knowledge in those spaces. So there's plenty to test along this 20-kilometre strike trend that we have of the Menzies Shear, and we are very much looking forward to producing some more excellent results that we can deliver for shareholders. So please stay tuned as we build the story, gain more knowledge about the mineralisation at the Goongarrie project, and keep all of our shareholders informed.